The subject of this video is SharePoint Translations. Grab your coffee and let's get started. The subject of this video is SharePoint Translations. If you work in a large multinational and SharePoint is one of your document management tools, you're going to require settings for localization, which essentially is multi-language pages, and you're going to require an authoring network. I'm going to show you how to apply the settings to your site, add translators, and make some recommendations about how to build your translation network or purchase a service. Cheers, grab your coffee and enjoy. Let's get started. Open up your SharePoint site, click on the cog, go to Site Settings, and then More Site Settings, and then look under Site Administration, go to Translations, and then click that slider to On, and then select the languages you want to add. In this case, I'm going to add French, but I could add any language I wanted. There's several languages there. If you Google SharePoint translations and supported languages, you'll find many there. Now select the person that's going to do the translation. This may be someone in the company or someone that you pay to do the translation work. Click OK, and it's enabled. Now that translations is enabled, you can now click on the translations icon, and that'll bring up the configuration of translations, and you can see if you click on the page link, it now brings up the French page in this case, but if you had selected Spanish or any other language, you would see the page listed. You'd click on it. You can then edit it. You make your changes. So you would translate the English to French or Spanish or Dutch. Then once you're done, you would then publish. And that's it. The translated pages are stored under the Site Pages library. Click on Settings, go to Site Contents, go to the Site Pages library. All the translated pages will be listed there. So each translator can go to your site, click on Translations, and then view the page that they need to work on. It'll be listed by language. They place the page in edit mode. Click over to the right, and then they can make their edits, translating the English text to their particular language. And then when they're completed, they can click on Republish, and they see a message that it's been republished, and you're done. So enabling translation is very easy. You click on the settings to enable translations. You add your languages and your content reviewers, your translators, and give them some training and some guidelines for content authoring and republishing, and you're ready to go. Don't underestimate the complexity of publishing content and managing quality. It takes some time. Enjoy. Click like and subscribe. Thanks.